In this video, I'll show you how to manage and edit saved marketing email templates in Hubspot. To do that, you first need to head over to the marketing email that you wish to edit. I have my email right here. You can find it by going to Marketing and clicking on Email. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is manage the templates you have available. Click on Email Tools and you can see that you're able to choose the emails you want available and also edit ones you haven't set up yet. In this case, you can also click on the Search option and search for templates. You'll see your message templates right here, so go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside, you can click on a template for your actual email, or you can create and edit a new one. You can edit from the template library or start from scratch as well. Let's look at creating one from scratch. Enter the name, the subject, and add the details you want included. Once you're done, you can save the template and it will be available for future use. That's all for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to manage and edit marketing email templates in Hubspot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.